Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Jess, and I'm kicking off another weekend vlog. We're in Morristown right now, and we're gonna get dinner. And we're gonna go to the Committed Pig, but it didn't look open, so we're gonna walk by because there was a little paper sign on the door. And if not, we'll find something else, but it looks really nice now. It was kind of overcast all day, but now the sun's coming out. It's like 7:15, so we have a little bit time left of sunshine. But yeah, I just wanted to kick off the vlog here. Breakfast. Kodiak cakes and eggs. She looks so chill. Chill for the camera. Pretty quick. It was 10 minutes.
What do you think?
That was pretty good. I opened my eyes at one point, like maybe 2 minutes ago. I was really just like thinking about breathing. I felt like at some point I was doing the positive affirmations.
Do you have like some random thoughts?
Not really. Sometimes I was just like feeling a little impatient, I think, at points. Or I was like, oh, I need water. I was like, oh, like this deep breathing is making my throat dry. Like sometimes I was thinking of those things, but it went by pretty quick. Ooh, that was a good one. Hello. Oh, they like the camera.
Out of gas.
Good job. It's the next day. Well, actually, it's like, I feel like I haven't done a talking clip in like 2 days since Friday. So now it's Sunday. Yesterday, we did a little family party. It was my grandma's birthday we celebrated. So we just did that. So I didn't get a lot of footage, but that was fun. I'm back at his house and we're gonna do a little workout. So rainy today. It's already like 1:30 p.m. All we did was eat breakfast. So it's just one of those really chill rainy Sundays. Catching up on YouTube videos. I was watching a lot of cooking recipe videos on Pinterest. And I think I'm inspired to maybe cook a nice dinner later. So we'll see what we end up doing.
You want to do some pull-ups?
Sure.
Assisted pull-ups. You want to try this?
What do I do?
So you put one of your legs through it.
Like a bent leg. I don't know if I warmed up my arms for this.
Come on, you got it. Like, this is like the thick grip, so it's probably hard for you to grip it.
Okay, I'm tired.
How's that? Feel it?
Yeah, I definitely start feeling it.
You do this. Like,
yeah.
pulse it. Don't hold it. For a quick lap.
Literally downpouring, but we're gonna go into the shop right and get some stuff. We're gonna make some like Pinterest recipes that we found for dinner and dessert. I'm excited. We're gonna do like a little pasta dish with shrimp. And sorry if it's too hard to hear because the rain is so loud. It's been super chill. This has been a very relaxing Sunday. We worked out, and that's kind of it, so. Oh yeah, this looks good. Bacon or pasta. Got the roasted garlic for the garlic bread. I could probably just squeeze it. Oh my god. Actually, this is pretty good. I feel like this is gonna be really good. Cheesy garlic bread. I'm making slutty brownies. Oh, this looks so good. This looks so good. I will leave the recipe linked below.
It's so good.
Woo! Dessert. We're done with our little cooking Sunday night fun. I'm eating my dessert now. We made slutty brownies, which I actually never made, but they're really good. I'll leave the recipes in the description box if you guys want to try them out for what we cooked tonight. The pasta was amazing. Garlic bread was so good. Yeah, this was just a really chill Sunday. Very chill weekend vlog. Subscribe to my channel if you guys want to keep up. I do a lot of New Jersey vlogs. I have some trips coming up, so I'm going to Burlington, Vermont next week, and then I'm going to San Diego. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.